Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the Archive Apps feature on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This feature automatically archives your infrequently used apps to save storage space. Here is how to turn it on or off. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Apps from the left sidebar. From there, select Advanced App Settings. In Advanced App Settings, you will see the Archive Apps option. You can enable and disable the toggle to turn it on and off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.